Hello friends, I am Anju Yogesh Mundhe and our today's topic of discussion is prokaryotic cell. The example of the prokaryotic cell is typical bacterial cell. Prokaryotic cells have primitive nucleus. It means that the pro means primitive and karyon is related with the nucleus. In case of the prokaryotic cell, the nuclear envelope is absent. And because of the absence of nuclear envelope, the genetic material is directly in contact with the cytoplasm. This prokaryotic cell contains single circular double-stranded DNA. Histones are absent, therefore coiling of the DNA does not observe. And because of which we can also say that this is a chromosome. Therefore, the bacteria contain a single chromosome. This chromosome remains attached to the mesosome. Mesosome is the inner folding of the plasma membrane. The region of the cell containing the genetic material is also called as nucleoid. The prokaryotic cell contains 70S type of ribosomes. These ribosomes contains two units, smaller and the larger. The smaller unit is of 30S type while the larger is 50S type. This cell is small in size and because of which the cytoplasmic streaming, that is movement of the cytoplasm, is absent in case of the prokaryotic cell. These cells are completely dependent upon the diffusion for the distribution of the molecule. The typical example of the prokaryotic cell is bacterial cell. It does not contain nuclear envelope and also the membrane bound organelles are absent in case of the prokaryotic cells. Which are the different membrane bound organelles? These are endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, mitochondria, vacuoles are absent in case of the prokaryotic cell. Because of the absence of the nuclear envelope, the DNA is directly contact with cytoplasm and because of which the process of transcription, that is RNA synthesis, while the process of translation, that is protein synthesis, occurs simultaneously in the cytoplasm, which does not observe in case of the eukaryotic cell. Thank you friends for your attention.